Hell's Canyon. At 7,993 feet deep and 10 miles wide, this is North America's deepest river gorge. There's tons of stuff to do here, including fishing, jet boat tours, hunting, hiking, camping, kayaking, and rafting. But this place is no joke. It's not called Hell's Canyon because it's all butterflies and roses. It's hot, it's rugged, and it's huge. The Hell's Canyon National Recreation Area is roughly 650,000 acres that span across Oregon and Idaho. There are plenty of outfitters you can book trips through, but if you're looking to explore on your own, we're here to give you some tips and insight into how the hell you get around this place. Pun intended.
We're going to be backpacking in Hell's Canyon, but to make things a little bit easier, a jet boat's going to ferry us up to our campsite where we're going to stay the night and start our hike in the morning.
Let's go.
Is there any place specific, or can we just make wherever you can make room?
Part of what we do is also just giving people that want to explore the canyon themselves, any of the trail systems that run along the river corridor or that go up into the Seven Devils on the Idaho side or the Wallowas on the Oregon side. We can pick them up and drop people anywhere on the river that they want and let them explore the canyon themselves.
So here we are at Kirkwood Ranch in the middle of Hell's Canyon, and we arrived at Pittsburgh's Landing, which is 6 miles that way, and we will be staying the night at Sheep Creek, which is 9 miles that way. We made it. This is Sheep Creek Ranch. It's 16 miles from where we started today. By jet boat. Tomorrow we're gonna hike out of Hell's Canyon, so looking forward to that epicness. I will be sleeping in that tent, but you can totally sleep in the ranch accommodations like Chad will be doing.
But yeah, this place, man, I'm blown away by this place. It's like so far beyond my expectations. I was expecting these little Forest Service shacks, you know, and these little ramshackle bunk beds in them. And it's just like beautiful property tucked away. You got Sheep Creek that's absolutely beautiful sailing off in the distance, birds singing.
I know, we were told rustic, and it is rustic. That's kind of the cool, epic part about it.
It's rustic, yet you have all the luxuries. It's got air conditioning, man.
I know. And for less than $200 a night, you can have 30 people stay here. So what did you bring to eat?
I brought, I thought since backpacking trip, I tried to keep it light. Got some mangoes and get some cheese. You?
I brought sausage.
You brought sausage?
Yes. Kielbasa, to be more.
You brought kielbasa?
Yeah.
Sausage.
I brought 2 of them.
Is it one for me?
No, they're both for me. I'm gonna cook them over the fire. I think I might do one tonight and one in the morning, but.
Oh. Yeah, so you're gonna start your day before a 16-mile hike with a 14-inch long kielbasa sausage?
Yeah, that's the energy that's gonna get us past mile 16.
We have 16 miles to cover, and the best hiking conditions are early in the morning. So we're getting on the trail so we can beat the heat.
All right, here we go. Make a pretty good pace.
Yeah, I feel good about the pace. Legs feel good. The trail's in really good condition. A few grassy parts, but and the view is, shall I say, epic?
Epic. It's called Hell's Canyon for a reason. It is hot out here. So make sure you have some sort of water filtration system because you're not going to be able to carry enough water. This is a gravity system. Basically just fill it up at a creek along the way, dirty water into the clean water. Due to the heat in Hell's Canyon, the hiking season ends at the end of June, and we are at the end of June. So, as you can see behind me, a lot of the vegetation is grown in, and it has hidden the trail from us. So right now, we are a little bit lost, and I have misplaced Chad.
Eventually I find Chad just a little ways up the hill, but it's probably a good rule of thumb to not leave your partner. Last leg of the trek, Suicide Point.
That sure looks like Suicide Point up there, Chad.
That does look like Suicide Point. It looks kind of sketchy.
Yeah, this should be fun.
It looks like there's a path carved into the cliff.
So Suicide Point is actually quite beautiful. I don't think the name does it justice, but the main thing up here is dehydration. It's not falling or anything, just make sure you're good and hydrated because it is a long, hot way up.
15 miles through Hell's Canyon is no easy task, but eventually we made our way out.
Back at Pittsburgh Landing, finished a wonderful, beautiful hike today. The thing to remember about Hell's Canyon is there's something for everybody, from your grandma to your kids. There's jet boating, there's big whitewater rafting, there's smaller day hikes you can take, and it is absolutely a stunning place.
Please subscribe to our channel for weekly adventures in Idaho and beyond. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. If you have any travel questions for us, we would love to see them in the comments section. And if you haven't watched Epic Idaho yet, make sure you head over to Visit Idaho and check it out. Link to the series is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.